doing?
What the? He's coming! What?
What's in your bucket? There's eggs all around the house, I think.
What's this?
It's an egg. Oh.
Flying back ponies?
Oh.
What?
Okay, well, let's get the rest of your eggs. And
Okay.
you
Do you see what it's sitting in? Do you see the big thing that it's sitting in?
Oh, it's right here! One more pony!
Oh my goodness.
Judy, do you see what your bucket's sitting in?
Yeah!
What is it sitting in?
The fourth and 10!
Yeah.
I got my little ponies, Daddy!
Yay.
Okay, there's more eggs.
On a chair?
Yeah, get them. Put all your eggs on the table.
I got Easter eggs again! A food!
Oh my god. Now there's more eggs. Keep looking.
Okay. Bubbles!
Bubbles.
Daddy, get that gone! I got bubbles!
Come on.
There's one last one right there.
Yeah. Get to put all the eggs on the table. Okay.
Okay.
You don't need to open them right now.
Still beauty.
Yeah.
I got these!
Yes. Wow, Judy.